Okay, here's a unboxing. Hot Wheels cars, FL F56 957H, and this is the one of the latest transporters from Ferrari that I just purchased. This is part of the condition of my table here. It'll be cleaned up in a couple of days. And this is what it looks like packaged. Looks pretty nice. Very beautiful. Actually, I like it. Very nice. And I do open this. I'm not a card collector. So let me go ahead and open it, and I'll be right back. Okay, it does come with an insert, and this would be the other Ferrari that we're waiting for on this. This is the packaging, and it does come in an insert, and it comes out. This is, of course, the Fiat 642. The Fiat 642 RN2 Bartoletti transporter with the Ferrari 250 GTO. It's supposed to be historically correct. And this is premium stuff. This is really beautiful. I didn't pay much for it. I think I paid $40 plus shipping, which is around the range that I pay for this. So this is beautiful. I just wanted to share this with y'all. And I'm still looking for some of the more prestigious Ferrari releases as of late, that are a little bit out of my reach, but I'm sure I'll find one at some point. So I'll take some pictures of this. I have a page called EHZ. That's E as in Edward, H as in Harry, Z as in Zebra, Racer, and that's my tag on X.com, EHC Racer, and I post all of my pictures there, and I share some of the YouTube videos there. So you're welcome to follow me there. And this is spectacular. I really like this. The latest license of Ferrari and Hot Wheels. Really beautiful. Very lovely. Let's see if we can get that. Yeah. Very nice. Plastic bottom, not metal bottom, but nevertheless. And I'll be able to put some of my other Ferraris on here. You see, I still have a couple here from the other day. I got the little Dino we can put on there. And of course, a 12-cylinder, another 12-cylinder. Yeah, the 12-cylinder fits. So we can put all of them in there. Or, for better, we can put the Dinos a little smaller in there. And then I got another 250 up here, which is a little too big. But we can put the F40 is a little too wide for there. Stradali. There you go. These are pretty cool. I'm happy with it. Very nice. And I hope you all enjoy it. You have a great day. Keep on collecting. Keep on racing. Both slot cars and die cast and whatever else moves you and makes you feel happy. You have a good day. Bye.